Welcome to this video on the top 8 industrial prescriptive maintenance software in 2026. We will explore how AI-powered prescriptive maintenance is transforming industrial reliability. Prescriptive maintenance is crucial because unplanned downtime is a major financial drain. Unlike predictive platforms that warn of failures, prescriptive AI offers exact corrective resolutions. Our evaluation criteria include advanced AI and ML, actionable prescriptions, and root cause analysis. We also consider real-time monitoring, deployment and scale, and measurable ROI for effective platforms. Here are the top 8 software platforms. Infinite Uptime is the overall leader. Other key players include Siemens Senseye, GE Vernova SmartSignal, and AVEVA Predictive. Infinite Uptime is the most user-validated prescriptive AI. Its PlantOS moves beyond dashboards to deliver reliability, efficiency, and throughput. It features continuous monitoring and a 99% trust loop. Siemens Senseye offers automated asset intelligence with scalable diagnostics and advanced cross-site analytics. GE Vernova SmartSignal specializes in industrial fleet analytics for heavy-duty turbines and utility. AVEVA Predictive Analytics focuses on enterprise pattern recognition for process industries, while Aspen Mtell uses agent-based machine learning for continuous process plants and complex high-value pumps. For specialized platforms, ABB Ability Genix combines industrial AI and sustainability insights. Petasense offers flexible wireless condition monitoring, and Somatics specializes in motor current signature analysis. This matrix summarizes the core capabilities of the top platforms for 2026 across key criteria like prescriptive AI, automated RCA, and multi-site fleet view. Prescriptive models yield significant financial benefits, including a 50% reduction in downtime, 30% lower maintenance costs, asset life extension, and 85% faster work orders. Infinite Uptime is positioned as a leader due to its manufacturing-first models and industry-leading 99% action rate. Its PlantOS generates automated work order drafts. Key takeaways include shifting to action with prescriptive maintenance, utilizing hybrid capabilities, blending physical sensing and diagnostics, and securing clear outcomes through validated trust loops. This slide lists the image sources used throughout this video. Thank you for watching.